Welcome to the brand new TeamLab Phenomena here in Abu Dhabi on Sadia Island, where we're going to check it out today and show you guys the full experience. And we're going to head straight inside because it is seriously hot here in Abu Dhabi today. So after a short introduction in the first room, we saw this little like hand thing that we did, and now we're in the first main room, which looks insane. The scale of this is huge. Let's take a look around. So the very first room is like a massive forest with these massive pillars that we've been walking around, and we're currently in a state where it's like Avatar in here with like this magical stuff coming down. This is wild. I can't believe how big this is. What do you think, Eb, of the first room?
It's amazing. It's so cool.
And it's all like glass, so it's like completely reflected everywhere. I can't tell how big this room is. Like, so the guys have worked out it's actually interactive. If you put your hands up, the water actually flows around it. Takes a minute. Wow. Now the floor is actually soft and people keep laying down here, but we've got butterflies right now and we're only in the first room. We're gonna head to the next room. This is a very, very good start. It's really clever. There's actually mirrors everywhere, so this room looks insanely big. And there's mirrors on the ceiling as well up here. We're now walking through a hallway which is extremely trippy. It's all like curved and all the graphics and everything, and all the walls are like interactive everywhere you touch. All the content like comes around you. This is crazy, like you're fully immersed in this place. Oh, look at this. So there's actually multiple ways you can get around here. We've come down this path here, but the first room we were in also leads out here. We're now heading into the red light district in here. Oh, we have to take our shoes off. Oh, it's going to take me ages. Next up we have the levitation orb. This is like a huge floating ball, like completely suspended in the middle of this massive epic red room. This is insane. Now this is what modern art should be. Wow. And everyone's just mesmerized by it. Look at this. So it looks like the ball is actually moving around as well. It kind of came towards us and it feels like the whole room's sort of pressurized so it can move around, but it is so dark. It feels like it's like flat where it's completely black. I can't tell how big this is. It feels like it's coming towards us. Like, we are now in the most crazy laser room I've ever seen. There's like hundreds of lasers behind me creating these insane patterns. I've never seen anything like it. I'm a little bit scared to point my camera at it in case it kills the sensor, but this is insane. And seeing it with your own eyes, and you have to see it with your own eyes, like the camera doesn't do it justice. Eb is just chilling in the middle. We've come into this next immersive room. Again, projection all around us, but we're on a net. There's literally like a drop beneath us, so we've got content all underneath us. Oh my god, it moves. Oh my god, this is... I feel dizzy. Oh my god. Okay, we have to stick to the walls. Oh my god.
I got too cocky.
Everyone's just walking into the middle like it was nothing, and then the whole place like spins.
Yeah, and now I feel ill.
Oh my god, I'm a bit freaked out. This is like quite sketchy. Can you see underneath? There's literally just projection and stuff. We're like in space. I'm attempting to walk into the middle, but the content like moves like this, so you feel like the whole room is twisting. Oh my god. then as people walk on the net, it's like moving, so this is sketchy. I'm not a fan of this room. So that was Biocosm. That was very trippy and made me feel a bit sick. The whole content moves around. You're in like a sphere, and it's all very like futuristic nature vibes. So that was very cool, but I couldn't last very long. But we are already into our next room, which isn't very interactive, but you have this massive sphere up the top, and everyone is rolling around on the floor here with all this projection. This feels a little bit like SeaWorld Abu Dhabi, which is on Yas Island, like 20 minutes from here. But again, really cool. All the content in each room is completely different. And there's a gecko like here, so. Up next, we are making our own custom drawing. I've chosen a frog, so whatever you draw on here is actually in that room with the big ball. So we're going to draw it, scan it, and go and try and find it. And then I think you can put it on a t-shirt. That's your flower, look, ebony. Is it? Yeah, that is. Wow. We've seen Ebony's flower. Oh, there's your one, the coloured one. Wow.
No way.
Everyone's made it apart from mine. You have to fill like the full detail, but we've seen the guy's frog thing, Ebony's flower with her dodgy name. Look at this. It looks wrong.
This is so what?
Your name isn't even like spelt right.
It is. No, I think it's because I did it backwards.
Oh. Wow. Okay, I was wrong. This is interactive, and this is really, really cool in here. There's lots of different editions of your artwork all around, and they interact with each other. This is sick. The next room is completely covered in these silver balls. They're literally floating everywhere, and there's like a tornado over there. We're currently trying to add the silver balls into the tornado. I think we're doing a pretty good job. It's quite a small room, but very, very cool. Well, that room was my favourite so far. These silver balls were everywhere. It was a small little room, and there was like vents everywhere pushing everything around. So it was a really crazy experience. It was like being in a tornado. It was really fun. But now my shoes and my socks are off because we are onto the water part of the tour. We're going to go inside one of the bits now. Apparently the water can get up to like your ankles. We'll find out in a minute. But a cool interactive thing. Let's go and check it out. I'm really excited. You can get your tickets on Get Your Guide, link in the description. It was a great price. It was like 150 dirham for this amazing experience, and so far it's been well worth it. So let's finish off the tour. We're now in one of the first water rooms. It comes up to about just above my ankle, and there's these like floating see-through egg things with lights in. And again, everything's reflective. It's very cool. What do you think, Darren?
Very cool.
We're still bare feet, but we are in a little garden now. This one's a little bit smaller. Still bare feet, but we're heading downstairs again. Whoa. Okay, we're back into the sun, and that is us done at TeamLab Abu Dhabi. Let me give you a rundown. But first, I wanted to give you guys a little tour of where we're staying this weekend. We're staying in the heart of Abu Dhabi, in this new marina bit, and we've actually got a suite here in the Edition Hotel. So I'll give you a little room tour. First of all, we walked through the amazing lobby, which is this big open plan design. There's like a little fountain area you can sit at. There's actually a breakfast buffet that is open from 6 AM to 4 PM. So it's an all-day breakfast. You can go back multiple times. So that is crazy. I've never heard of that in a hotel before. But what's even crazier, it's for my birthday. We've got this suite. So there's this whole living room here, this whole dining area here. There's a balcony I'll show you in a minute, and then we go through to the bedroom with one of the most comfortable beds we've ever stayed in. We've got a whole hallway here where we can store all our stuff, and then massive bathtub, his and hers sinks, toilet obviously, and then this massive shower. Let me show you. It goes all the way down there. This is like massive. And lastly, there is this huge balcony here that looks down onto the marina bit. Great views. We've got a little seating area and a little lounge area. So I've just stepped out of the room to see the amazing view of the lobby here. And I thought I'd give you a little bit of a rundown of TeamLab. So first of all, it's something I've wanted to do for ages. The original one was actually in Japan and I haven't made it there yet. But to bring one to Abu Dhabi, I was super excited. And I think it's been open 6 months, maybe even a year now. So it's had time to settle in. And honestly, it was incredible. All of these immersive art experience things, there's loads in Abu Dhabi and Dubai now, but this was really, really incredible. I think the thing that did it for me was there are so many different types of immersive art and you were actually involved in all of them. You could pick up stuff, interact with things, draw something and it appears. Really, really impressive stuff, like technically and visually. It was the best I've seen, and I've seen quite a few of them now. I've checked out Aya Universe, which you can check out up here in another video, which is one in Dubai, which is a smaller version, but none of them are this interactive and this cool. My favorite was probably the balloon room, followed by the first room we went in with the big tree projection. That was really, really cool, but yeah, highly recommended, especially for the price. So check the link in the description for tickets on Get Your Guide. It's the easiest way to do it. And also I can highly recommend the Edition Hotel. We're staying here for my birthday actually, and it's been really, really good. This is the cake they got me. So I'm gonna now eat all of that and we are gonna go and have a little party for my birthday. So thank you guys for joining us at TeamLab. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I definitely recommend you guys go and check it out. And apart from that, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I'll see you somewhere in the world next time. Boom.